Alright, so we are back for another video again, and yeah, we are here in the OG studio, so my different colored studio. So last video that I shot is in my new studio, but I thought of shooting it here because this is a lot of things. So I don't have that big of a table in my new studio yet. So I've seen some people kind of missing the OG studio. So we're here again. And of course, in zpolt fashion channel fashion, I would love to show you guys what's up. So this is our new unpacking for maybe round 2 for 2023. So before we continue with unpacking, let's have a channel update first. So what has been happening with me, and maybe the reason why I'm not uploading as much. So if you are followed in my Instagram at zpolt, I'm gonna link it down below if you want to follow. So number one reason is I'm doing some music stuff recently. So I have IMZ is alive. So not sure if you have seen that in the channel, but I kind of promoted that from time to time in the channel. In the sound test, so 2 songs there are from my music, IMZ. And I have seen some people in the comments like asking what happened to IMZ. So yeah, I'm kind of like that. I'm up and down with some creative stuff, and now I'm kind of inspired to do more music, so I'm doing new stuff now. And actually I have several stuff, and actually for June 5, you can maybe listen to them, all new songs. For June 5, I will have a single launch event, so it's an IMZ single launch event. And I have some I'm gonna show the poster anywhere here. And so I have some friends that will play with me there, and of course we're gonna launch our new song Panaginip. And yeah, I'm gonna play with my band there. So if you're free, and if you're in the area, June 5 Sagio, anybody can go there. And yeah, we can chat together, talk about music and talk about IEMs as well. So that will be interesting. So that's number 1. Number 2 is I actually tried doing some games. Okay. But yeah, no output yet, but maybe in the future I'm gonna have some output. And number 3 is I actually did or tested the waters in doing some reels, short form content. So I'm kind of studying what I can do in that space. But you may see some short form content in the future here in the channel, in the main channel as well, because yeah, I do have a TikTok channel. I did some stuff, experiments there. I'm gonna link it down below. Actually, it was really crazy because just for 5 days I was able to get 10K followers there. So yeah, TikTok is really crazy. But I need to upload more stuff there, so I'm kind of experimenting on that as well. So you might see more reels content here in the channel, in the main channel as well, and also in our TikTok, and maybe in Instagram as well. So in Instagram, I go by my brand page is at zpolt labs. So you might see some new stuff incoming there as well. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. But yeah, on to the unpacking. So yeah, let's proceed. So yeah, we have some new faces, new brands, and some old ones that have a new take in their IEM. So I would love to show you guys more about it. So I do this unpacking because I would love to hear from you guys on what's the most interesting ones, and what are the items or IEMs that are not here that you would like me to check out. Let me know down in the comments below. So yeah, let's go for the biggest boxes first. So this is the Sivga Robin SV021. So yeah, actually I've seen this in some YouTubers, influencers channels, Sivga brand. I haven't reviewed one yet. So yeah, this is quite a new brand in the headphone space, and they're actually well priced, so that's very, very interesting. So this Robin SV021 is actually just $150, so very, very good price for a headphone. And here you're seeing 50mm drivers, 32 ohm impedance, 20 to 20 kHz in frequency range. So yeah, for me personally, maybe one of the first ones that I would love to check out, because this is the first Sivga in the channel. And some new ones that arrived is the 3-point Piccolo. So this is a single dynamic driver system, and from Tripoin as well. It's around $35 here, maybe one of the cheaper Tripoins in the channel. So of course, still the cheapest is the Tripoin Leia, which I do like, especially for the price they're paying for. But this is the more expensive version, and if you can see that, kind of has that wavy design. And yeah, for Tripoin, usually the packaging is very nice, especially for the price they're paying for. So would be really interested to measure this up, and let's see how it compares to the more expensive Tripoins and even the Tripoin Leia as well. But yeah, for Tripoins, I do like the sound signature that you're getting usually for Tripoins. And this is a new brand again in the channel, but I have seen a lot of these in some YouTubers' channels. The SimGot brand. So we have two SimGots. We have the Shark EW100P, and this is, I believe, a cheaper version, and this is the EA500. Actually nicely packaged here. But these are two new brands in the space that I haven't reviewed yet. So again, I'm quite interested to check this one out, how they tune their stuff. And yeah, this Tin Hi-Fis I haven't checked out. Maybe I'm gonna do an unboxing, like a fast unboxing of this three, because this is really covered a lot already in the community. But you have the Space Station C3 and C2 as well. And from what I've heard, they seem to have maybe some similarities in how they sound like. So yeah, something that I need to check out if that is the case as well. And this is the KBR Xuan Yu. So I'm not sure how this is pronounced. And this is another dynamic driver configuration, around $28 here. Again, a very competitive price point, 20 to 20 kHz in the frequency range, and dynamic driver configuration here as well. So yeah, $30 price range, getting a lot more stuff there. But yeah, definitely interesting. 8mm PU plus PET driver unit. So might be a different driver compared to the usual ones that we are seeing in the space. That's something for us to check out. And next would be this one. So this is a blonde Z300. Very interesting here, of course. And they're sticking with their Opoti and triumphs. So yeah, something that's very iconic in the community. They are sticking with it. And the Z300 is around $25, $30. So right smack with the blonde 03s of the world. So packaging as well has some similarities nowadays since 2014. Very interesting. 20 kHz in frequency range, 10mm dynamic driver, 1.2 meters in the cable. So yeah, are we gonna get the typical blonde fashion tuning with this, with ample bass? That's something for us to check out. And this is the Rose Finch from KBR. Haven't checked that one out as well. MD4 from Hydis, something that I promised but I haven't reviewed yet, so I need to check that one out. And of course the KBR as well. This is the Ormosia. So hybrid configuration here, so something for me to check out as well. Rapgo hook, something that I haven't reviewed yet, but it's still, I have shown this in the previous unpackings, but I haven't reviewed them yet. But yeah, we have a couple that are very interesting for me, especially the SimGots. I would love to check those out, and of course the SimGas as well, and the blondes, of course. But let me know what's the more interesting ones that I should check out. And yes, I'm hoping to do the reviews more often in the coming days. So do let me know if you have any suggestions on the items or the IEMs that I missed out in a couple of months, because yeah, I have gone for quite some time now. I'm sure that there's a lot of hype IEMs that I should check out. And yeah, I want to continue the sound test as well, but I'm gonna maybe do maybe a change or an improvement in how I do things. So stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, we're nearing 50k subscribers as well, so hopefully we can reach that in a couple of months. If I just need to upload more often, because yeah, I have been lagging behind in the content. But yeah, exciting times. Let me know down in the comments below what are the more exciting ones for you. And of course, thanks for watching, and it's nice to see you guys here again in my YouTube channel. And hopefully we can talk more in future videos. And yeah, see you in the next video, guys. This is zpolt signing out. Goodbye.